Good morning. It is season 1, episode 5. I figured I should start doing seasons before it gets too late and have to go back in and add it all. I am at Treehouse Yoga, here to do my 10:30 a.m. hatha, 12 p.m. lunch crunch, and then I have a therapy appointment, working through some stuff. That's okay. And I get to pick up my car today. I think Tyler will be really happy about that because he's still been carting me around everywhere and is actually waiting downstairs to see if I have a no-show, because if I have a no-show, I'm gonna go get my car. All right, so I actually had a no-show and we're on our way to get my car. How does this make you feel?
Whole, satisfied, and a little sad because I don't get to see my lady every day.
I know. I must say I was getting really spoiled, like having him cart me around, because I just love spending time with you.
Aww.
I hate bittersweet chocolate. What's the use?
Who are you helping?
Honestly. Hip hip hooray, I'm in my car. I missed it so much. So I'm going to head back to Treehouse for my 12 p.m. class. Thank you to Eddy and All Points Auto Electric for taking care of my car. They're super amazing if you're in Austin and need any car stuff. They spent literally 3 weeks trying to figure out what was wrong with my car because it's very mysterious. Woohoo! So got my car, everything's running smoothly. It actually kind of feels weird to drive because I haven't driven in literally like 3 weeks, but I just love how responsive my car feels, and I'm just so glad to be footloose and free again. Ty and I have stopped to pick up some coffees from El Chilito here in Austin, Texas, off of East 7th Street. They're amazing. Breakfast tacos, good coffee, couldn't ask for more. So how are you feeling in your body today?
I'm okay. I'm a little bit creaky.
All right, let's go ahead and get centered within ourselves. And then on your next inhale, we'll gently sweep the arms up overhead, keeping the shoulders soft, elbows soft. Exhale, we'll bring our left hand down, reach over with the right, keeping planted through that right hip. Inhale out to center. Just left my therapy appointment. It's always pretty emotional when I go. I have a lot of negative self-talk, unsure of my own thoughts, my own emotions. So far it's been helpful, and just some tips on how to work with those things that I'm dealing with and how to talk to myself in a more positive way. Now I'm going to Sprouts to grab a few items for the house and head home. So totally forgot to film an outro video for this, but it's really late now, so just going to play you this video of a student and me practicing acro while I say goodnight. Tomorrow, Corey and I will be at a local apartment complex for their pool party representing Treehouse Yoga, and then Ty's dad gets in the evening, so the next day I'm gonna go to inland surf. Really exciting. I hope you stay tuned for that. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Good night and namaste.